Before we begin, a reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Now let's get into the news. The ceasefire is dead, the peace talks failed, and President Trump just dropped one of the most explosive posts in Truth Social history, announcing a full U.S. Navy blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. Markets open Monday morning, and this could be one of the most volatile days of 2026. Stay with me, because what happens next could hit your portfolio hard. Okay, so here's the backstory you need. Back in early March, the US and Israel launched military operations against Iran. Iran responded by closing the Strait of Hormuz, the single most important oil choke point on the planet. That sent oil prices skyrocketing. Brent crude surged past $120 a barrel, and markets went haywire. Then last week there was hope. A ceasefire was brokered by Pakistan. Stocks surged, oil crashed. The S&P 500 jumped 2.5%. The Dow soared over 1,300 points, the Dow's best single day in a year. Everyone exhaled. But that exhale just ended. Sunday morning, April 12th, Trump posted this to Truth Social. He says peace talks were held in Pakistan, led by VP J.D. Vance. They negotiated for more than 21 hours but failed to reach a deal, primarily because the U.S. could not get a commitment from Iran to abandon its nuclear weapons ambitions. So Trump is done negotiating. Here's what he announced. 1. The U.S. Navy will immediately begin blockading all ships trying to enter or leave the Strait of Hormuz. 2. The Navy will hunt down and intercept any vessel in international waters that has paid a toll to Iran. Trump calls this world extortion. 3. The U.S. will destroy mines that Iran has laid in the strait. 4. And the most alarming line, the military is locked and loaded and prepared to finish up the little that is left of Iran. So what does this mean for your money when markets open Monday? Let's break it down. Oil. Brace for a spike. The Strait of Hormuz accounts for roughly a fifth of the world's oil and liquefied natural gas. Prices could push back past that $117 high. Trump would effectively cut off one of Iran's last remaining revenue streams, its oil exports, at the cost of higher global prices. Stocks? Expect red. Just days ago, markets rallied on ceasefire hopes. That trade is now completely unwound. When the opening bell rings Monday, expect the S&P 500, Dow, and Nasdaq to open sharply lower. A bear market cannot be ruled out. Defense stocks could surge. Lockheed Martin, Raytheon, Northrop Grumman. Anytime military escalation ramps up, defense names move. Safe havens, gold, treasuries. The dollar will likely see inflows as investors run for cover. Energy producers remain mixed. Here's the wild card. Trump has escalated before and then pulled back. Last week, he suspended a tax just before his own deadline. Monday could be chaos in both directions. If Iran blinks, markets reverse. But if shots are fired, we're in uncharted territory. The bottom line? The crisis just re-escalated. Oil prices are set to spike. Stocks are set to fall. This changes hour by hour. Do not make emotional trades. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll update you all week. Let your money fly.